I got you. Oh, what's going on?
So, all this, you guys had a bit of disagreement today. Alright? I guess, just keep your hands out of your pocket for me. Okay. Alright. I guess at some point she fell, hit her head, she got a little bit of pain in her head. So for right now, what we're going to do is we're going to remove you from the situation. We're going to go back to the precinct while she gets checked out, make sure she's okay, and go from there, okay?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. So what I'm going to just say now is I'm going to ask you to turn around and put your hands behind your back, okay?
That's not, we can step out.
Okay, but we're not stepping out now.
Yeah.
Alright? So can you do me a favor and just put your hands behind your back and turn around for me? Listen, right now what you have is, she said something happened, push, she has a little bit of headache. That's minor, it's a misdemeanor, it's nothing. You're on camera, you're with us. If you don't cooperate and resist, that becomes a whole nother thing. That's on camera, that's obvious. Right now you have a he said, she said.
You can step out for a second.
Don't make this hard. Don't make this harder than it
You can
has to
step
be.
out for a second.
We can't step out now, okay?
Yeah, well,
All right.
I mean, I see it.
So I'm gonna grab your hand.
Don't grab. Look, let me get my, let me.
No, we talked. We talked.
I got you, I got you, I got you. Oh, what's going on?
You got my gun! You got my gun! Shoot him!
You can step out for a
Don't
second.
make this hard.
No, we're past that point.
Don't make this
I
harder
know,
than
you
it
can
has to
step
be.
out for a second.
We can't step out now, okay?
Well,
All right.
I mean, I see it.
So I'm gonna grab your hand.
Look, don't grab. Look,
No, we
Don't put your hands behind your back.
I got you, I got you, I got you.
Shoot him! We can't step out now, okay? All right. All right. I'm gonna grab your hand.
Don't grab.
Melvin? No, we
Don't
talked.
put your hands behind your
We
back.
talked. You had
Hold on. I got you.
Watch out! My fuck.
With security camera video, investigators were able to link both burglaries as being committed by the same person driving the same vehicle. However, the suspect in the video was wearing a mask and their identity remained unknown. On May 10th at approximately 4 a.m., police were alerted to a third business burglary at 120 Tank Farm Road. Just 90 minutes later, a fourth burglary occurred at 888 Ricardo Court. Again, security video showed what appeared to be the same vehicle, a light-colored GMC Envoy, as seen in the previous burglaries. After conducting the background check and just hours after the fourth burglary, Detectives went to Jerome's address on Camilla Court and found the same light-colored GMC Envoy in each of the previous burglaries. Some of the items reported stolen in the burglaries could be observed in plain view through the windows of the vehicle.
Going hot.
You haven't had your camera on this whole time? Police department, search warrant, open the door, we're gonna force entry. Giron?
Edward, Giron.
Edward, open the door. Edward, it's the police department, open the door. Edward, come out here.
Shots fired, shots fired. He's got a gun, he's shooting at us. All units, all units. Are you okay, Steve?
Hit in the head and arm.
Did you get it?
I think so. He came out, he pointed his gun at me.
I'm copy of headcount 4223. Response.
Hey, can you roll down your window? Hey, stay in your vehicle. Hey! 802, 802, shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. 1199. Southbound. He's got a long gun on the ground. Stay on the ground! Let me see your hip. Do not touch that gun.
Make sure we get fire up. Everyone.
802, he's got an AR. It's underneath him on the sling.
96, 802, he's got an AR underneath him in a sling. 802, where is he now?
802, I'm not hit. Not hit.
36, 802, you're not hit. Where is the suspect now in relation to you?
802, he's by the driver's door against this traffic. Can you get me a brake, please? Traffic is kind of heavy. Keep your hands where I can see him. Do not reach for that gun.
Traffic is heavy. Requesting brake. Requesting brake.
Ready, 36, copy. I'll bring that brake to the floor now. You do advise if the suspect is injured.
Do copy, bringing a brake from Flores now. 3602, is the suspect hit?
Suspect is hit.
3602, suspect is hit. Is he still moving?
802, affirm. Stop moving!
3602, suspect is hit. Still moving.
Ready, 36, that's 4, copy. You fire.
Do not reach for it!
36, is there anyone else in the vehicle?
802, I cannot tell. It's blacked out windows. Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Do not...
Copy.
802, I'm hit. 802, I'm hitting the leg. 802, I'm hitting the leg. He's taking off with the patrol vehicle.
36, 802.
Search him out. Oh. I'll take it again. Let's get him. Let's drag him. Let's go. Oh. Hold on. A10, send in fire. Go. Fire's coming. Okay, that's good. Everybody good? Yeah. You good? Yeah. Check equipment. Let's get a better search on you. Yeah. Weapon safe, boys. Yeah. You have any weapons on you? Where's your weapon at? Hey, where's your gloves at?
Here we go.
Hey, anybody got gloves?
I can get some.
No.
the ammunition in there going off?
Weapons safe, everybody?
Yep, we're good, we're good.
I got my shotgun. Is this yours?
Here we go. Good on ours.
I'm gonna throw my card.
I tried to get out just a couple times. Then send me.
214, go ahead.
Charles 63, come back to lot 2.
Show your hands now!
We got one running.
Stop!
Hop in the back fence. He's on the back street, and we're going into some neighborhoods. Just keep going inbound. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop right now. I've already got you. I'm hit, I'm hit, I'm hit. I'm at 562. I'm shot.
I'm showing exactly.
Charles 63, where you hit?
In the ribs.
There, copy, it's already out.
Charles 62. Charles 63. I shot him, I think.
Hey Josh, you want to get online and clear this stuff right here? We could probably take care of this while they hold on that. Yeah, that'll work. We'll just get online and push through this stuff. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see you get your hands up!
Cut!
Let me see your hands! Your hands! Put your hands in the air!
Hey, move them!
Put your hands in the air!
Now! Stop moving!
I got a gun right there.
Oh, he's got a gun in his hand.
I got a gun.
Stop moving!
Gun's not on
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
All right, move in. Hold on. Has he got a gun in his hand?
Gun's over there by the back pocket.
Roll over onto your stomach. Roll over on your stomach now!
You gotta shoot north or south.
Give us the air. All right, move in.
Put your hand behind your back.